Todoist is a task and project management app designed to organize and prioritize your work. Start by creating an account via email, Google, or Apple ID. The main interface displays your tasks, projects, and sections. Tasks are the basic building blocks. They include titles, descriptions, due dates, priorities, and labels. Use natural language input like email client tomorrow at 3 p.m. Projects organize tasks into hierarchical structures. Subtasks break down complex tasks. Use filters and views to focus on relevant items. Collaborate by adding team members, assigning tasks, and commenting in real time. Todoist leverages AI for enhanced productivity. It provides predictive task suggestions based on your habits and smart prioritization using algorithms. You can integrate with Google Workspace, Slack, and Microsoft Teams for real-time sync. Premium users can even connect with AI assistants like ChatGPT to generate task lists from emails or documents. Set reminders location-based or recurring, attach files or links to tasks. Automate workflows using Zapier. Todoist also supports productivity methods like GTD with labels and the Eisenhower matrix for prioritization. These AI integrations help to automate and suggest improvements to your organization of tasks and projects.